Okay.
Yeah, you're like the world's foremost authority on burgers, aren't you?
I used to be. So I'm here with Jesse Stay, and I'm Chris Voss. Yeah, I get the rotation thing.
That's cool.
So we're taking Jesse to the world famous Purple Turtle, where they have fat-free food that's all vegan, from my understanding. She's laughing at this. And you can see all the fat-free vegan shakes they have over here. This is look at how many there are in this. Is that insane? Like, how is that even legal?
I know.
Like, there should be laws against something like this. This is the reason people in Utah are fat, including me. I gained most of my 350 pounds leading here.
From here, huh?
Yeah. I'd sue them, but it's so good. I can't help it.
They've already paid you.
So what should we order here, Jesse? What should we?
What do you recommend? You're the expert.
I'm going for the all out. I'm going the most expensive burger, so I'd recommend that, the double mile high. Because, You want hammer bacon? I don't want hammer bacon. I'll take some bacon on it. Fuck it. It's the holiday season. You only live once, and we're probably gonna die after this anyway. A combo, yeah. I'll take some onion rings, and then what's the best shake you have? Is it the strawberry shake, or I saw some in,
I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't have shakes, but the Oreo shake is good when you're not.
Yeah, I've had that Oreo before. It's
you
crap.
can't go wrong with Oreo shake.
I heard the strawberry was the best shake though. Does anybody else know what the best shake here is?
Depends how much you want, really. I like raspberry cheesecake.
I mean, if you're not diabetic, like what? We've all had our insulin.
I like fudge brownie and chocolate ice cream.
Fuck it, I'm going with Oreo. That's what I think I had that last
And I'll have what he's having, because I agree 100%.
You said you wanted onion rings, right?
Yeah. You want onion rings?
Sounds great.
You can order onion rings, the large orders, and then I'll take a Oreo shake. Yeah.
Oreo shake?
Large, yeah. You know,
Make it two of everything.
Two of everything, I guess.
So far, it sounds good.
And make sure you're fat-free, vegan. Look at that menu. That's just sick and wrong. There's only one of these because they after they built this place, they said, no, you're not doing that everywhere. Yeah, you can only kill people from one location with diabetic overload. We're not letting you guys do a chain. They said McDonald's kind of has a corner on that.
Is that everything?
Yeah, that's everything.
She's like, will you hurry up and pay?
All right, so I'm here with Jesse. We've gotten the shake portion of our Purple Turtle. What do you think, Jesse? Is this enough? Do we have enough insulin for this?
I brought mine.
This is here comes the big order. Thank God I got a wide. Now we ordered onion rings.
Did you?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
I heard it.
You hit Jim's.
Yeah, if you could please. What should you put on there?
Jim's.
Yeah, we want onion rings totally.
Yeah, you did say onion rings.
Yeah, sorry. When she said the combo, she said you want the combo, but then we said we want onion rings.
We got it on video if you want to see.
Yeah, we got it on video. Yeah. So yeah, can we exchange those for onion rings? All right. Take them. Yeah, you can take those. We'll keep these.
Thank you.
We take those. All right. So let's see. Dun dun. What does this look like?
Oh, that looks good.
This better be the fat-free version. This better be full vegan.
So Mr. Authority, is this Chris Voss?
I don't know. We got to taste it. You know, the presentation looks pretty nice. You know, it's not all smashed. That's an important part of the aspect here.
Just like your camera back over there. That was a good picture. Oh, that's good too, right there.
Yeah, that's a good.
Where's my camera? Hold on.
So we've got these, and then we got these. There we go.
I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. There we go.
Holy crap! This isn't a shake. This is ice cream. What? Oh my god! Holy crap! That's insane.
All right, I got it.
All right, Jesse.
Ready?
You're on camera.
Here we go.
We have met the enemy.
You're good.
You're looking a little orgasmic there. You're looking a little orgasmic. You look like your eyes are rolling the back in your head, sort of thing going on.
That might be like, no, that's ketchup, right?
Yeah, ketchup tends to be a little sweet, Jesse.
Wow, that's good.
Okay. All right.
I approve.
Well, there you have it, folks. The approval of Jesse's stay.
Who is no expert?
And thank God he's skinny. He's going to gain about 20 pounds eating this, probably. I'm sure.
I'll try.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to eat this, and it's going to be ugly. Okay, well, that's... All right, so we got the onion rings fixed, and I'd have you try one, Jesse, and I think you burn your mouth because they just came off the fry assembly line. Yeah, they're pretty hot, but they look pretty good.
I'll have it.
There we go. All right, give me a second to pan up. There we go. All right, Jesse. There's no fry sauce on it though.
That's all right.
What do you think?
A little bit of saltiness.
A little salty.
Crunchy. And the onion on the inside.
Yeah.
Perfect.
All right. So there's the verdict from the Jessmeister. I'm gonna give this a bite. That's a little hot.
A little bit hot.
Well,
I burned my tongue off a long time ago, so I don't taste. I don't.
I like the batter though. It's on it.
Yeah.
And I like how the batter doesn't fall off the onion.
Yeah.
Like I hate that.
Yeah. It's nicely evenly coated.
All right, so there you have it. Purple Turtle in Pleasant Grove, Utah. It's the only one on the planet that I know of. And this thing has been a staple since I was a kid, like 30, 40 years ago. This was the place that all the kids go after high school games and everything else. This place is usually always filled after different high school events and has been a popular staple of the area for as long as I can remember. And just great, great food. The hamburgers were pretty good. I weren't the greatest hamburgers I've ever had, but I put them on a scale of maybe 7-ish to 8-ish, somewhere in that range, 7.5, let's call it that. Bun's definitely well done. The meat's well done. Everything tastes great in its presentation. So definitely recommend the burgers that way. The onion rings, probably 7.5 as well to maybe an 8. I definitely liked how they were breaded, seasoned, and everything else. They tasted great. And the shakes, geez, wow. Shakes got to be a 10. Not only just on serving size, but tastiness. And the quantity and quality of shakes that you can take and get are just insane. Hey, be sure to check it out. Pleasant Grove, Utah. And be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us to YouTube. We'll see you next time.